Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to log out of the Likee application on your smartphone. First of all, start by unlocking your device and tapping on the Likee application icon to open it up. Once you open up the application, tap on the human icon at the bottom right corner. Now, this will open up your profile page. Click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner from your profile section. In the pop-up, click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll all the way up and look for the Logout button at the bottom of the screen. Before logging out of your account, make sure you remember the credentials so that you can get back to your account without any problem next time. If you're sure you'd like to log out, tap on Logout and click on the Logout button in the pop-up. If you want to save your login info to quickly log into this account on this device next time, click on Logout and Save. If you don't want to do that, you can tap on Logout anyway. And there you have successfully logged out of your Likee application. You can still look for contents even if you are logged out of the account, but if you want to log in and get access to the account, you can simply log in next time without any problem. If this video helped you, consider liking the video and subscribing for more safe and updated tech guides. Thank you for watching and stay secure online.